right, we got everything?
Let me take out the camera.
All right.
I fucked up.
What?
Since I was recording the intro for our vlog,
Yeah?
I took out the camera and put it on my desk and didn't put it back in.
You forgot your camera.
Yes.
Do we need to go home?
No.
I guess you're a spectator today.
Yes, I am. What up, and welcome to the Route 66 Raceway. We are here for the Enthusiast Car Show, so come with us and enjoy the show. What are you here, dude? Holy crap.
You need a ladder.
Oh my god.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Hi.
My wife, Danielle. Awesome. Thanks for coming out. What's up, guys? Where do you come from?
We're nearby.
Oh, so it's super easy.
Yeah. I love the vlog that you did in night.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
That was a good one.
We had super belts. That's pink. That's like,
That was a tough one, wasn't it, for you?
she did good. I think she was iffy at first.
I was iffy. I was like, how gnarly is this gonna be? It's just like us like using like way like way cool angles.
Alright. Come. Alright, So I think back in the day, these were kind of frowned upon, but now it's kind of cool. 1994, 95 maybe, 92. Ford flare side. Dude. Sound system right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Ported box with old school wheels. I like that. This is hard to find now, this whole spoiler. Wow, this is cool. This is definitely like throwback to the 90s. And it's stick shift. Wow. Got an OBS, step side, OBS regular bed, dually diesel, very cool. I think it sounds cam. Look at my hand. Oh my God. Oh, compound setup too. Oh my God.